kay Leonard kung may vanilla pa doon sa likod. Sabi niya, chocolate lang. Vanilla kahapon. Oo, chocolate lang nilabas niya.
What's wrong?
Kasi, chocolate lang nilabas niya.
These ladies, very nice, very nice.
Vanilla po.
They're very nice. They help me buy load, buy food, buy ice cream.
Ganyan din flavor to. Kalikod.
So Yuna, how you been?
Good.
Now your name, Yuna or Yana? How you spell? Y-A-N-A.
Yana.
Yana. We don't have name like Yana, Yuna in America. Well, it's nice to see you back from Bulacan. We're just out for a little walk. A little walk and talk. We'll see what's happening in the neighborhood.
Quiet.
It's quiet, yeah. Good, quiet's good.
Quiet.
I ate this steakhouse. It was terrible. You'd think, you know, a steakhouse, they only sell steak, would be delicious. I went with Kiki in the Philippines. Check out his channel. He's a good blogger too. Kiki in the Philippines. We went. The steak was like bubble gum. The steak was like bubble gum. It really was. It was like bubble gum. I've yet to have good steak here. The only good thing I have is the hamburger. I go to Hypermart at the SM Mall and I buy the premium ground beef. It's like $10 a kilo, so about $5 a pound. Otherwise, you can't eat it. It is so greasy. You put the regular hamburger on the grill, it's all fat. So I buy the premium. And every time I order from that Grab, I order Grab from at the SM Mall, the Hypermart, which is a very nice supermarket. I have nothing bad to say about the Hypermart, because I go there personally sometimes, and I'm taken very good care of, you know. They're very nice. The staff is very nice. Everyone's good. The only thing I don't like is the long checkout lines. If you go there the wrong time, you plan to wait half hour, 45 minutes or longer. They can't handle the business. It is so busy. But getting back to the Grab, there's such fakers. Every order, when I have groceries delivered, most, if not all, my orders are short. They're short like 1, 2, 3 items. And naturally, they make it difficult for you to contact them and talk to them. One time I missed 3 cheeses. I ordered 3 cheese. The cheese never came, so I emailed the driver, and he says, "No, sir, they were out of stock of the cheese." I said, "But I got charged for it." He says, "Oh, you have to contact Grab, contact Hypermart." Another time, I was missing shampoo, so they tell me, "Take a picture." We want to, Grab tells me, "Take a picture, the whole order, the receipt, and the missing item." I said, how can I take a picture of the missing item? And I put my groceries away. And I threw the receipt away, which I do. I don't really, you can't even read the receipt. You know, it's printed and the ink is dry. You can't read it. I throw it away. But they give you such a hard time. So the last time I complained, they tell me, sir, we have elevated your concern to the highest authority, and there's nothing we can do for you. You have too many complaints. You have too many complaints. And this was through an email. So I emailed them. I emailed them back. And I let them have it. I said, you are rude. You're extremely rude. Your service is awful. You don't fill the orders properly. I have too many complaints. I complain because they cheat me. You think I'm going to spend all day emailing and taking pictures and looking for receipts and filming the order for a $6 item? But it's just the point. I don't like getting cheated, you know. I want my $6 item back. I'm not giving charity to grab. It's not my job to give charity to grab. But they were rude. I said you should be fired. Whoever sent me the email, I said you should be fired. So now when I order Grab, I'm only going to order very few items for delivery. I'm going to count them like when the driver's there. I don't know. I don't know what to, I really don't know what to do. Because you pay by credit card. I can certainly pay by cash. Maybe I should do that. Pay by cash. And then check the order. But it's a hassle. Everything's a hassle. Hassle, hassle, hassle. And I did. I got ripped off for 10,000 peso, the ATM. I told this story before, but to follow up, I put in 4 times my ATM card. It's linked to my bank in America, TD Bank. And 4 times the machine timed out. It didn't go through. So later in the day, I look in my banking account, online banking, and 4 10,000 peso withdrawals are withdrawn from my account, which is about $800. So I call them, I email them, whatever I have to do, and they credit me the 4. But they're only provisional credits. So they look into the situation and they get back to me. And they tell me they can only authorize 3 of the credits. 1 provisional credit, they want me to pay 10,000 peso. So I've been going back and forth for the last couple of months. I told them to get my to get the video, the audio from the ATM machine. They said we contacted the merchant bank and everything checked out at the end of the day. Everything checked out at the end of the day. I said, well, you get the video and audio. And my U.S. bank says, no. They're unwilling to do it. So the Philippine bank is Metro Bank. Luckily, I found an email contact for Metro Bank, and I told them the situation. I showed them the documentation I had from my U.S. bank. And they have been so far they've been very nice. They're looking into the situation, and they keep sending me updates. And the last update they sent me, I really didn't understand, but it was leaning in my favor. that something was wrong and they're going to credit me and I should call them for further questions. And my U.S. bank has been notified. So I'm still on hold. I mean, it's not worth it's not worth $200 for the aggravation they've put me through. I was extremely stressed over it. When it first happened, I'm saying, what the heck, you know? And then I'm thinking, how am I going to get money in the Philippines if I get cheated with these ATMs? So I'm still waiting for it. That was the only time I really had a problem with an ATM. Although when I first got to the Philippines, I put my card in, the money came out, and I was still new here, and still new with all this technology, and I didn't take the money out fast enough. So it took the money back, and it took my card. So I had to go into the bank and I tell the story to them, and I had to wait to get my card back. Or maybe the money didn't come out. It was like 3-4 years ago, 5 years ago, when I was living in Dumaguete. In America, the money system's much easier. Everything is Gcash here. Everyone wants Gcash. Send me Gcash, Gcash, Gcash. This electronic payment is a big pain. It's a big pain. But anyway, out for a walk. Need exercise. Need exercise.
Sweating all over.
What?
Sweating all over.
You're sweating. Sweating is good. Sweating is good. Means you're working your heart.
We just took a bath.
That's okay. We just took a bath. You take a shower when you get home. It's okay. The water don't hurt you. The water won't hurt you. You have to shower here 2 times a day. Sometimes 3 times a day if you go out. Once you go out, you go back in, you have to shower. You really do. It's probably in the 90s now and high humidity. See, this is someone's house. This is someone's house. And Jan is going to go back to Bulacan tomorrow for work. I haven't seen her in maybe two years. I haven't seen Yana in 2 years. We went to Subic Bay together. Remember we went to Subic? We go to Subic. If you want to see Una, look at my old Subic video. Subic's a nice place. They have the Navy base there. All the warships. A lot of boating activities. You can rent a yacht. You can rent the yacht for a day or a half a day. They're all so friendly here. So they rob you or they steal your cell phone. I'm still learning my way around the neighborhood. You go straight, straight, straight. I think this take you walking street. They don't have any leash laws here. The dogs roam free. I'm sure there's many stray dogs. But they don't seem aggressive. They don't like bark or bite or frighten the people. See, they drive 3, 4, 5 on the motorcycle. Sometimes 6, 8. I was in Dumaguete, Negros Oriental. I lived there for 3 years. They have these special motorcycles. One driver, 2 wheels, and it holds like 6, 8, 10 people. They build an extension seat with metal, and they bring it up to the mountain. It's like a bus. It's like a motorcycle bus. Many people have to go to the top of the mountain. There's no transportation. So they go on these huge motorcycles. And they put like 6, 8, 10 people. Literally. And if you're in Negros, there's no taxis. They do have tricycles, and the tricycles there are much better. Much better tricycles. They're huge. They hold like 6, 8 people. Maybe 10 people. The tricycles here are awful. They're tiny, tiny, tiny. You can barely get in and out of them. And Grab car is less than the tricycle, what the tricycles charge you. And I found terrific health care. If any of you viewers are thinking of coming to Angeles, I have a great doctor and a great clinic. They have like maybe 2, 3, 4 locations here. And it's top notch. They're very, very young, brilliant physicians. And they have the latest equipment and latest technology. They took all my blood tests and they put me on some medication to get all the numbers where they should be. I don't even know which is which, but I trust them. I trust them. And I also have a prostate problem. You know, I'm 73 years old. I have a prostate problem. It's non-cancerous. But I go there for treatments. I went for 6 treatments already. And they want me to go for 6 more treatments. So I'm gonna go this week. And I think it's like $200 a treatment. So for another $1,200, I should be free and clear. I Googled on if insurance in America would have covered it, and they say no. Insurance in America wouldn't have covered. They put you in this special chair. It's called a Kegel chair, K-E-G-A-L, and it vibrates the muscles around the prostate. So I go there and I sit in the chair 20 minutes each session, and I have to go 6 more sessions. Another $1,200, but hey, what can you do? Yeah, this is going to take us out to the main street.
Huh?
I think this takes us out to the main street.
After that street.
Up to that street.
The sports bar?
I think that's Perimeter Road. Fields Ave, Perimeter Road. Yeah, I had a viewer leave a comment. He wanted to know which I like better. Dumaguete, which is in Negros Oriental, or Angelo City, which is in Pampanga, the Luzon section. And I told him it's like night and day. Dumaguete, many bugs, more nature, more tropical, more jungle. There are beaches there, but they're not the greatest beaches. They're not the greatest beaches by any means. The public beaches are disgusting. There's trash everywhere in the public beaches. And if you go to the nice beaches, you're most likely swimming in sewerage. They don't have sewerage, facilities like in America. And this is the American Legion. The American Legion. Come, we go look in the American Legion. Come. You need to salute. You need to salute. You need to say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America. Everyone's welcome. Oh, they have a hoagie parmesan. Hoagie parmigiana. Chicken parmigiana. Wow. No aircon, huh? Oh, in back, you can sit in back. Okay, good. My first time here. How's the food?
Good.
Okay, film you. Okay, film you.
Oh, yeah. We got him out of Candy Tower. He's a hell of a chef.
Oh, he used to work in Candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the food's terrific, Candy.
Yeah, we got him
Oh, good.
2 weeks ago.
Very good.
Yeah. Hello, miss.
Oh, you have Zumba.
Yeah, 1 hour every Wednesday and Friday, except the second Wednesday of the month.
I'd like to come. That's a good exercise.
Yeah. The second Wednesday, that's our meeting. That's when they can't have it there. Wednesday and Friday.
Hey, they have Zumba here. That's terrific. I know they have Zumba on the in the park here. They call it Astro Park, but it's like 6 in the morning. Hey, I'm gonna start coming 9 on Wednesday and Friday. That's good to know.
This is open. Anybody can come here and eat.
Yeah,
It's open now.
yeah. I've been to the VF.
Filipinos, they see American and foreigners, British guys. Like, it's open house. It says open to everybody. They see the American Legion, it confuses their brain, right? Oh, I gotta be American. No, you don't.
Yeah, the VFW too. They get confused.
Right. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to survive.
I've been to the VFW several times, but I never knew about the American Legion.
Yeah, we just moved here about 10 months ago.
But you're from a different location.
Yeah. We don't own the property, right?
Yeah.
VFW, they own that property, right?
Oh, good.
I'm a member there too.
You're a veteran, I assume.
Yeah. I'm a member there and here.
Were you in the American Legion?
Yeah. I used to be commander for 3 years. That was finance. I'm membership now.
Is that a combat type of deal? The American Legion?
No. You just have to serve honorably.
Once you're a veteran, you can join the American Legion.
VFW, you're a veteran of
You're
a foreign war.
Yeah, you have to be a foreign
You
war.
have to be in a zone. Yeah. But here, if some people join for 2 or 3 years, there's no war, they can't join the VFW.
They can't be.
It's on the DD 214, right?
Interesting.
But here, you long as you're a veteran, honorable discharge, good to go.
How long you been in the Philippines?
20 years.
Where'd you learn from the veteran? Because you're a veteran.
Yeah, retired Navy.
During Vietnam, I bet. You're my age. No.
Oh, no, I was born in 58, so.
Oh, you're a little older than me. Younger than me. You're younger than me.
I graduated high school in 77. The
War was over.
Yeah, gone way. Maybe 73 was gone, basically.
So you had easy service. You had easy service.
Well, no, yeah, I worked medicine, so.
Oh, good. You're on a ship.
Newborn nursery, worked in hospitals, clinics.
You're on a ship, though? Ship, yeah.
Yeah.
Many ships. That's quite an exciting life. All right, we're going to go eat.
All right. Good to meet you. I'm
Same
James
here.
Brown, by the way.
James Brown?
Yeah, James Brown.
James Brown?
James Brown. Yeah.
James Brown?
I feel good.
I feel good.
I'm feeling better after that beer, I'll tell you that right
Good,
now.
good. We going this way?
Cheers. We'll see.
Yeah, thank you. Hi. What's the house special?
Hello, sir.
What's the special of the house?
Our special, sir, is chicken parmigiana and whole wheat parmigiana.
Okay, you like chicken parmesan? We're gonna split. We split one chicken parmesan. Okay, we split one chicken parmesan. Just to try the food. We're not even hungry. But how can you refuse food? Oh, they have pizza? Good price on the pizza, 400 peso. All right, I'm gonna relax. Like and subscribe.
What side do you want? Potatoes,
Your
baked, mashed.
No pasta.
Yeah, it comes with two sides, sir.
Two sides.
Potatoes and baked mixed vegetables. Or what do you want? Mashed potato, baked potatoes.
Spaghetti.
Yeah. Chicken parmigiana with Italian spaghetti and garlic bread. You have
Yeah.
also put mashed potato or baked potato. What do you want?
Can we have double spaghetti? Extra spaghetti?
Okay, you can have extra,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
And mashed potato?
No potato, just only spaghetti.
Ah.
Extra spaghetti.
Ate, instead ng side, spaghetti na lang yun. Saan? Sa parmigiana.
Chicken parmigiana spaghetti naman yun.
No, extra, side daw instead ng potatoes, tsaka mixed vegetables. Spaghetti na lang. Okay. Diba, may side siya dalawa, make sense or coleslaw. Spaghetti na lang daw.
Ay, hindi pwede.
It's not yun, sir.
We get only the mixed vegetable on the side, not really big one.
Okay,
And the
vegetable.
coleslaw is not really big
Okay,
portion.
perfect, 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 perfect.
Spaghetti, the spaghetti is okay like this.
Yeah, spaghetti good.
Oh, good luck sa kilay mo dahil.
Yeah, they have American baseball playing.
Pag magandang labas dahil, bukas din po, bukas din po.
Batters later, Michael Bush up. He drives it in the right, and watch that ball. He's coming off downstairs.
So I'm going to say goodbye for now, folks. I'll try to show you my meal. So please subscribe, like, buy me coffee. Do my Patreon, PayPal. Come visit me if you're in Angeles. Leave a comment. That's all for now. Till next time. Tell your friends. See, that's good exercise. They have Zumba. They have Zumba. It's good.
Pwede pa anong electric pump? Wala. Para mainit.
This is a not flash. This is a hot flash. This is not. If you have